Now we're going to talk about templates. So this is a great way to save time so you don't have to write out every single message. SyncUp gives you unlimited amount of templates and you can personalize it, you can make a subject line, etc. If you are planning on using connections, then the subject line doesn't matter. I would say connection message 1. And from here, you can personalize it to your liking. You have filters like first name, last name, position, and company. Then you can go ahead and press save. If you would like to use templates for messaging, then of course you would need a subject line. So you can say, join our webinar next week. And then again, you can use all of these different customizations that are available to you and you can press save. So now when you come into here, you would select your campaign, you would select how many people you want, premium only. And what you can do is you can select a message template. And from here, it will not show up here. So don't worry about it populating here, but it will be pulling from it. So that is how you can use templates with SyncUp.